This is a brand new 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. This vehicle has seating for 5 adults and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features and packages include an air suspension, a limited slip differential, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear view camera, a DVD player, aluminum wheels, roof rails, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, a premium audio system, and the cooled seats create a 360-degree air-conditioned environment, keeping everyone comfortable the whole trip. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Classic Chevrolet is located at 2501 William D Tate in Grapevine. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.